how to log in to GroupMe account. So if you want to log into your GroupMe account, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And then you can search for GroupMe. And now to sign into your account or to log into your account, you can go for sign in, which is on the first option. And now you can choose your email or your phone number to log into your account. So simply enter your email address or your phone number on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password, and you will get a reset password option, and you will get reset password on your email address. So you can go for that, and then you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And once you've entered, now you can click on continue, which is on the bottom. And once you click on continue, if your login information is correct, like your email and your password, if it's correct, then it will log you into your GroupMe account. So that's it. That's how you log into your GroupMe account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.